Hello, hello. Welcome to my school. This is the theater recorder. We are at the place where most of my old videos are shot. And we are waiting for the lesson to begin. But in the meantime, I'm making some flips. I have another combo to show. It's how to incorporate the fan into a move. So you start like this, drop it, flip it over, spin, and then here, go there, and you can start your fan. Either it's like this, or you can do a guided fan. And then after you've done one guided fan, underhand, ricochet, and then backhand fan to this position in with your thumb, and then roll over. So, to recap, around here, to there, and then do one spin, back under, ricochet, backhand spin, in with thumb, roll over. If you do it fast, it should look like this. Yes. So the big part here is to not over fan. Just do one fan and then just do one fan and then under. Ricochet and this. The backhand spin I learned from Big Flip, so you can watch his video on the backhand spin. The backhand fan. And then you can just piece them together. But this is just a quick tutorial on how to incorporate two fans into your flips. In the beginning when I started flipping, that was one of the moves that I knew how to do, and I didn't know how to incorporate it into combos, but now I know, so I just wanted to share it with all you. And then I also wanted to share with you this, my progression on, you see, I'm almost getting there on the ladders, almost. And then the short stop. Well, I suggest that you, if you want to learn a fan combo, get really good with a fan, and then add this underhand fan, because it's really cool. Well, this is a short video, just information of the fan. And yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.